Hey everybody, wanted to take you through a website that is super convenient for creating YouTube thumbnails. I can create one in typically a few seconds, honestly, less than a minute, let's say. Fotor, Fotor.com. If I sign in, signing in here. Okay. With a pro account, I think it's pretty worth it. I could go here and create a template for a YouTube thumbnail. So you can find that real quick. Here we go, YouTube thumbnail. We have these really nice ones here. But usually with a YouTube thumbnail, it resonates well with people when you have large text, something that kind of echoes your title, maybe answers a question, and then it should typically have your image or the same image of the person that is in the video, and you should be smiling or reacting to the title. Okay, so let's try that with this one. So this is one of their templates, but I can delete this, for example, and go to one of my images that I've uploaded of myself. And put this one here with this background. The background isn't great, so I'm going to click on BG Remover. And they've got all these great features here. Background Remover. There, it removes the background. Now I can touch up my skin. I can, fix the color and all that stuff. Let me make me a little bit bigger. I can go to Edit Photo and click on Face Retouch. And it will do all of that automatically. Let's see. Yeah, so it looks a little bit better. See, it smoothed it out. Okay, let me see. Make it a little bit smaller because it looks kind of blurry. Now, let's call it YouTube Easy YouTube thumbnails. Move me over. Reduce this text. Now let's get the YouTube logo. YouTube logo. Okay, grab this, just hit copy, go over here, just Control V. Okay, we can move it around. Use this one. Reduce the size of it. Okay, make it look like Pac-Man is eating it. Change the background maybe to white. That might look better. Change this text. Okay. There we have it. I think that looks okay. I could can then just download that, and then it's ready. It's all sized perfectly, and it's easy to use. So that is fotor.com. Thanks, guys.